Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? Cheers. Today I'm gonna show you my training idea. It's based on Anton Kreil course, and I'm using his Excel file from his course in my trading. I'm gonna show you one method how to trade in your favor. Alright, okay, let's go to IPLT course. And we are gonna use bond ETFs. As you know, when we have a big crisis, all people in US who knows how to save their money, they're buying bonds. And when we see a big fluctuation and big interest and demand, in buying bonds, we will have weak US dollar. US dollar will become more weaker when we have a big interest on bonds. And now I'm gonna show you this on chart, on diagram from this, Excel file that was created by Anton Kreil. All right, one moment, like this. Like this. Now we can see visually when we have an opportunity to trade US dollar and when we can expect it to become more weaker. For example, in November, in October, how to know that this, for example, 5 June, it's a time to, for example, sell US dollar. We can compare to previous day, and we have when it becomes in 2 times more, in volatility. This moment is attracting me, and I'm paying attention on it. For example, we see this biggest interest on bonds, and let's go to the chart and I'll show you how it works on the real market. Of course, after some period of time, it not happens immediately. It can happen in a week or maybe in 1 month. But when you see this situation, you have to reflect it on your charts that are related with US dollar. Okay, let's go to the chart. As you see, March, and we have big interest. And when it's time to buy, of course, when we find the most significant support levels. Of course, these moments, it's a place where to buy technically by using just simple technical analysis. And we see a big movement up on euro. And as you see, US dollar became more weaker when euro went up. All right. Okay, if you want any courses, I will leave the link to the best reseller. You can get plenty different, very nice and cool courses. All the bundle of all courses from Anton Kreil, Gregory Dupont, Lex Van Dam, SMB Capital, Varo Pro Trading, plenty. So I have them already, but I'm not reselling them. I'm just can recommend you the best reseller, you just get in touch with him and get any courses you want from him. Of course, for a very, very low price. And as you buy, he will give you much bigger discount than you just can imagine. Okay. Have a good day and have a nice trades. See you.